Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to new session. In this session, we are going to see about how RLC, with the help of all the passive elements like resistor, inductor, capacitor, how it is going to work as a low pass filter, and also how it is going to work as a integrator. Also, we'll see in this session itself. So let's see. Let's look into the circuit which is having a previous lecture, and it means in this week we saw about all the elements like all the things that we have been discussed about the passive circuits, right? With the help of RC, we discussed about the integrator, differentiator, low pass filter, high pass filter, and band pass filter. According to that extension itself, we are taking another element like inductor, and we are considering that as a low pass filter, and we are going to be evaluated with the help of that circuit whether it is going to be work as a low pass filter, and also the low pass filter itself acts as the integrated circuits that will be executed whether it is correctly or not, that which will be discussed in this session. So now let's move on to this session. So this is the circuit which is having a elements like or LC. So whose so which is response. So you can notice over here itself, it is my input voltage, and this is my output voltage. If you apply the KCL and if you obtain the expression for V naught by VI, so from this one also itself we are going to find out in the transfer function mode. So such that if you apply this one, so if you find out the ratio and apply the inverse Laplace transform to solve when which is having a capacitor and inductive element, it's better to solve using Laplace transform. Then you will better understand the things quite. It is obvious while doing the in normal method, so it is complicated when you apply the Laplace transform for that complex equations and complex differentiable applications, then you will be better understanding through the Laplace transform. For that I am using Laplace transform. So here itself, this is the transfer function when we obtain as a V naught by VA for these circuits. If you want the theoretical explanation also I will do. So let us apply here itself VI. So VI into IR. Well, what is the current storing across the inductor? V naught is equals to V is equals to L into di by dt across the inductor, across the capacitor C into dV naught by dt. So to change the terms all in one terms in terms of V, so we change this one. Laplace transform of d square by dt square is s square into V naught of s plus Laplace transform of single differentiation is s. So in this way we obtain the expression and we gave that one. So for that we calculate the cutoff frequency as Fc is equals to 1 by 2 pi into root LC. Whenever we have the both capacitor and the inductor elements, you will be having the cutoff frequency omega naught square is equals to LC. When we omega naught square is equals to 1 by LC, when we have taken in the 2 pi f in the consideration, you will be getting f is equals to 1 by 2 pi into root LC. So for that one, you apply the, then we'll substitute LC value, whatever we have FC in the output equation, we will be having V out by V in is equals to 2 pi FC square by S square into, we are replacing the value of 1 by LC in the equation and we are substituting, and we are getting the final transfer function with the help of V naught out by V unit S in the S domain. So quality factor is nothing but the rate of energy stored by rate of energy loss into 2 pi radians, which is not a part of this one. But to know the how much the performance, how much energy is consumed, how much energy is deceased, to know that one we are using quality factor. So now let's see the how the response of the system. So if you observe the response, we are discussing about how it is going to be work as a low pass filter, right? So depending upon the values of F and C only, it will be evaluated. But we are having a frequencies, right? We are very familiar with the cutoff frequency values, correct, right? So we are plotting an equation. Sorry for the disturbance. So we are plotting gain versus frequency, right? So to behave the circuit or LC as a low pass filter, it has to allow the some certain amount of frequency limits. After that, it will reject. Correct, right? So you can clearly notice over here itself, it is allowing the set of frequencies which is up to a frequency called FC. After that, it will all rejecting, right? So this part is rejecting, and all this is allowable part, and the remaining is discrete part. So it is called a low pass filter in with passive elements of R, L, C. So we can design anything however we want our convenience, so such that with the help of these passive elements we can design such that it can be applicable in real world however we want. One thing we just remember is that you can play with the things. That is the major criteria nowadays we are failing. Everyone are failed to do it. Initially we are starting, but we are failed to do it, right? So let's work it on it and grab the things and empower the skills. So now let's understand the things more clearly in the multisim software. Let's go to multisim. So you can clearly notice over here itself in the file. This is R L C. This is the function generator. I am giving a input square pulse, triangle pulse, anything. However, we can choose, right. So this is the oscilloscope. However, it is behaving like I am saying the slow pass filter itself act as the integrator, right. This is also will check right itself. And first, what our aim is to check whether it is behaving like a low pass filter or not, right. So you can clearly notice over here itself. So this is the response of a low pass filter, right. By choosing the proper values. So what is my cutoff frequency? Let's me check here. So this is my cutoff frequency, right? 9.80 hertz is the my cutoff frequency. It means from 0 to 9 hertz it will act allow. After that, all the frequency levels which will be removed. So it means that it will allow only 9 hertz frequency. Okay. So I'm telling all the things are very fast, right? Don't think it is fast. You can clearly notice over here. So I'm changing the things. So I kept to triangular wave. So whether I am getting same output, correct, right? So now I am changing the output to sine wave. So whether I will get the same output. So you can notice over it. So this is how whichever the output, it means whichever the input you are giving, that will behave as a low pass filter according to the values specified by the ORLC. You need to specify cutoff frequency fc is equals to 1 by 2 pi into root lc root l into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3. It means 10 power 3. So 10 power minus 3, 10 1 by 2 pi into root LC 2 pi 1 by 2 pi into square root of 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 6, it means 10 power 3. It means 10 root 10. 10 root 10 means 10 into root 10 something value. 1 by 6 means you will get 10 by 6, right? 10 by 6 approximately 9. Okay. So in this way, you need to calculate the cutoff frequency. According to that, you will get. So now we'll see how it is act as a low pass filter, right? So now we'll see whether it is working as an integrator. Correct. You can notice over here itself. So where and all my sine wave is starting. So okay, let's try for sine wave because of not having the proper wave. So you can clearly notice what is that input I am giving the triangular pulse. My output is sine wave. So when I change my square pulse, input square pulse. So integration of square pulse is triangular pulse. So in this way, by observing all the points above, I am concluding that this RLC circuit will act as a low pass filter as well as the integrated circuit. So, and also depending upon the cutoff frequency, it can be choosing the values such that it will allow the certain range of frequencies. It will be deactivating or not allowing the frequency signals which is greater than FC signals. So, in this way, it will be behaving like a integrator as well as a low pass filter. This is how for this session. If you have any doubts regarding the presentation as well as the output So you can comment us below and we will be surely help you. Thank you for watching.